The Lindblad Expedition's National Geographic Fund supports projects to protect the world's oceans, restore critical marine habitats, and foster environmental stewardship. Together with adventurous travelers like you, we support research on ocean-dependent species, issue grants for ocean conservation, and since 2014, granted millions of dollars to support National Geographic Pristine Seas and their mission to protect our oceans. Join us to inspire more people to explore and protect the planet.